Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about trends in Hollywood, the use of GLP-1 medications for weight loss. From red carpet transformations to candid interviews, celebrities are opening up about their experiences with these groundbreaking drugs. Stay tuned as we explore who's using them, their journeys, and the impact on the entertainment industry. Understanding GLP-1 medications. GLP-1 medications, such as Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro, were initially developed to treat type 2 diabetes. However, their appetite-suppressing effects have made them popular for weight loss. These drugs mimic the glucagon-like peptide-1 hormone, which regulates blood sugar and appetite, leading to reduced food intake and weight loss. Oprah Winfrey's journey. Oprah Winfrey has been open about her struggles with weight. In 2023, she revealed using a weight loss medication to maintain her weight and avoid the yo-yo effect. While she didn't specify the drug, she described it as a tool that provided relief from years of self-blame. Oprah emphasized that it's about health, not shame. Kelly Clarkson's transformation. Kelly Clarkson shared that she began taking a weight loss medication after her doctor recommended it for 2 years. She clarified that it's not Ozempic, but another drug that helps regulate blood sugar. Clarkson highlighted that the medication is part of a broader lifestyle change, including diet and exercise, to improve her health. Kathy Bates, weight loss actress. Kathy Bates lost 100 pounds over 7 years, attributing part of her success to Ozempic. She emphasized that the majority of her weight loss came from lifestyle changes, with the medication aiding the final phase. Bates stressed the importance of hard work and healthy habits alongside any medical assistance. Jim Gaffigan's experienced comedian Jim Gaffigan lost 50 pounds using Mounjaro. Initially skeptical, he found the drug effective in curbing his appetite. Gaffigan has used his platform to destigmatize weight loss medications, encouraging others to consider their health without judgment. Amy Schumer's candidness. Amy Schumer tried Ozempic but experienced severe side effects like nausea and fatigue, leading her to stop. Later, she found success with Mounjaro, reporting improved energy and well-being. Schumer has been vocal about the importance of transparency regarding weight loss drug use. Sharon Osbourne's rapid weight loss. Sharon Osbourne lost 42 pounds in 4 months using Ozempic. She expressed concern over the rapid weight loss and emphasized that such medications should be used cautiously, especially by younger individuals. Osbourne's experience highlights the need for medical supervision when using these drugs. Charles Barkley's transformation. NBA Hall of Famer. Charles Barkley lost 60 pounds in 6 months with Mounjaro, combining the medication with healthy eating and exercise. He praised the drug's effectiveness and credited his doctor for guiding him through the process. Meghan Trainor's post-pregnancy weight loss. After her second pregnancy, Meghan Trainor worked with a dietitian, made lifestyle changes, and used Mounjaro to aid her weight loss. She emphasized the importance of combining medical support with healthy habits to achieve her goals. Whoopi Goldberg's health journey. Whoopi Goldberg revealed that she used Mounjaro to help with weight loss after reaching nearly 300 pounds. She highlighted the medication's role in her health journey, alongside other treatments, to improve her overall well-being. Elon Musk's admission. Elon Musk openly discussed his use of weight loss drugs, stating that he used Ozempic and found Mounjaro more effective. His candidness has contributed to the broader conversation about the use of these medications beyond diabetes treatment. Tracy Morgan's humor and honesty comedian Tracy Morgan shared that he uses semaglutide to manage his appetite and weight. He humorously noted that the medication cuts his appetite in half, allowing him to enjoy his favorite snacks in moderation. Chelsea Handler's surprise experience. Chelsea Handler discovered she was taking semaglutide without realizing it as her doctor prescribed it for weight loss. After experiencing nausea, she stopped using the drug and expressed concern over its widespread casual use. Remy Bader's cautionary tale model and TikTok creator Remy Bader was prescribed semaglutide for prediabetes, but began binge eating after stopping the drug, gaining back more weight than she lost. Her experience underscores the importance of medical guidance and sustainable habits. Katie Price's denial and natural approach. Katie Price denied using weight loss injections like Ozempic, attributing her slimmer figure to natural changes, including increased activity and recovery from foot injuries. She emphasized returning to her naturally slender physique through healthy living. The rise of GLP-1 medications. The popularity of GLP-1 medications has surged, with drugs like Ozempic becoming bestsellers. Their impact extends beyond individual users, influencing industries like fashion, food, and wellness. However, experts caution that these medications are not a one-size-fits-all solution and should be used responsibly. Ethical considerations and body positivity. The widespread use of weight loss drugs raises ethical questions about body image and societal pressures. While some celebrate the medical advancements, others worry about the message it sends regarding beauty standards and self-acceptance. The future of weight loss. As research continues, new medications like retatrutide show promise in aiding weight loss. However, experts emphasize the importance of combining medical treatments with lifestyle changes for sustainable health benefits. The use of GLP-1 medications among celebrities highlights the evolving landscape of weight management. While these drugs offer new tools, they are most effective when paired with healthy habits and medical supervision. As always, consult with healthcare professionals before considering any weight loss medication. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on health, wellness, and celebrity news. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on the use of GLP-1 medications in Hollywood.